Looking for the perfect DeWalt circular saw that matches your cutting needs and work style? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 DeWalt models that deliver unmatched power and precision. First on the list is the DeWalt 20-volt max 6.5-inch circular saw DCS391B. This cordless circular saw has earned its place as a fan favorite due to its lightweight build, magnesium shoe for durability, and 5,150 RPM motor that delivers fast, smooth cuts. It's compact enough to maneuver easily while still offering plenty of power to cut through 2x lumber and plywood. The bevel capacity of 0 to 50 degrees makes it suitable for angled cuts, and the over-molded grip improves comfort during long sessions. At around $99 for the bare tool, it's an excellent value if you're already invested in the DeWalt 20-volt max battery system. This model is ideal for those who need reliable performance without the bulk of a larger saw. Next up is the beast of the cordless world, the DeWalt FLEXVOLT 60-volt Max 7 and 1/4-inch circular saw DCS578B. If power is your top priority, this is the tool for you. Running on DeWalt's FLEXVOLT platform, it delivers up to 2,456 watts and performs with the feel of a corded saw, all without being tethered to an outlet. The 7 1/4-inch blade handles large cuts with ease, and the 57-degree bevel range with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees provides great versatility. This saw includes an electronic brake that stops the blade quickly, enhancing safety. It's heavier and pricier, around $269 bare, or over $300 with a battery kit. But if you're a contractor or a serious builder, it's worth every penny. The third model is for those who prefer the consistency of a corded tool, the DeWalt 7 1/4-inch corded circular saw DWE575SB. This 15-amp saw combines lightweight design with impressive power and cutting depth. Weighing just 8.8 pounds, it's one of the lightest in its class, which makes it easier to control during overhead or extended use. The built-in electric brake is a great safety feature, stopping the blade within seconds after the trigger is released. Its bevel capacity goes up to 57 degrees with positive detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. This saw is widely used by contractors for framing, deck building, and general carpentry, and typically sells for about $169. It's reliable, straightforward, and built to last. Our fourth pick is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR7 and 1/4-inch circular saw DCS570B, a cordless option that strikes a nice balance between power and efficiency. The brushless motor increases runtime and durability, and it maintains strong cutting performance throughout the battery cycle. Like its FLEXVOLT sibling, it offers a 57-degree bevel and a sturdy aluminum base for clean, precise cuts. This is an excellent middle ground saw for users who want the portability of cordless tools without jumping to the bulk and price of the 60-volt FLEXVOLT line. It's well suited for both framing and finish work, priced around $199 for the bare tool. Last on our list is the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt Max 4.5-inch circular saw DCS571B. This is the compact option for those who work in tight spaces or need a tool for light-duty applications. Don't let its size fool you. This Atomic series saw is built with a brushless motor and can handle cuts up to 1 5/8 inches deep. It's perfect for trim work, paneling, or light carpentry. At just over 6 pounds, it's easy to use overhead or one-handed, and the ergonomic grip adds to its comfort. Priced around $199, it's a favorite among remodelers and finish carpenters who prioritize mobility. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links and more specs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews and pro tips.